If you want to apply wallpaper effect and frame on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you just need to go to settings. Then over here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to wallpaper and style. Then you need to go to the lock screen or home screen. So you can choose for whichever screen you want to apply effect and a frame. And then here at the bottom, as you can see, we have frame and effect options. So let's start with the frame. Over here, you can just use any of these frames that you would like to use. And you can also choose the color, of course, of the background. So you can just pick any of them that you would like to use. You can also tap on the square to choose your own color if you want to. But besides that, we have the effect option as well. Let me actually turn the frame off. There we go. And if we go to effect, you should be able to find a couple of additional settings, like for example, you can apply a blur. In some cases, you can also just blur the background only. We have the grayscale, colors, and dark. And for colors and dark, you can tap on the color that is currently applied, and you can use a different one and adjust the intensity of that color. And of course, afterwards, once you are done with the customization, if you tap on apply here, then you should be able to tap on done to save your changes. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.